The long-awaited opening of Obamacare was accompanied today by the long-threatened closing of the federal government. We'll have complete coverage of the government shutdown in a moment. But first, Americans began shopping online today for health insurance on those new state exchanges created by the Affordable Care Act. There were major problems all over the country. Websites were slow or crashed altogether, leaving a lot of folks angry and frustrated. The president noted that by 7 a.m., more than 1 million people had visited the main website, healthcare.gov.
That gives you a sense of how important this is to millions of Americans around the country. And that's a good thing. And we're going to be speeding things up in the next few hours to handle all this demand that exceeds anything that we had expected.
We have a team of correspondents covering the historic rollout of Obamacare. First, Wyatt Andrews with more about those problems the president promised to fix.
As millions of people flooded the system, the government website for Obamacare, healthcare.gov, temporarily broke under the strain. The main page went from apply now to this, please wait, and then for a time, the system went down. Please try again later, it said. And this is the website used by 34 states. Several states running their own exchanges also had delays. In Washington state, the website closed down. Administration officials said the federal site was overwhelmed by 2.8 million visitors, a number they never expected. White House senior advisor David Seamus said the problems drew an all-out response from website technicians at the Department of Health and Human Services.
We expected a slow ramp up, and what we saw today was an overwhelming response that exceeded even what we've seen in Medicare in any given day. So it was a good start. We identified problems. Tomorrow is going to be better.
Despite the delays and inconvenience, the White House argued the high numbers were a sign of intense interest in Obamacare. California alone saw 1.7 million hits on its website in the first hour. Connecticut reported 130,000 hits, Maryland 87,000. What the administration is not reporting is how many people actually enrolled today. Some of that is because officials won't know until people sign a contract with an insurance company and make a down payment. But Scott, we also know these first-day problems are what stopped many people from signing up.
Wyatt, thanks very much.